Good morning, Senator Alexander and members of the committee. My name is Brittany Brown, and I am here today in support of Senator Jones's BMI screening policy for K-12 children. Senator Jones's policy will require a multidimensional approach to high BMIs in children that will require support on all levels, from the federal government to parent buy-in. The policy options I present to you today are designed to reduce health conditions that develop as a result of complications related to a high BMI score. There are 73.6 million children in the United States, and 1 in 3 of those children is overweight or obese. In addition, 29.7 million children rely on free and reduced meals from the school breakfast program and the National School Lunch Program. The National School Lunch Program nutrition guidelines show children are currently being fed nearly 50% of their daily recommended sodium intake during lunch. This is 20% more than the CDC's recommendation for a midday meal. Excess sodium consumption is linked to negative health conditions that align with a high BMI score. It is crucial to advocate for the health of America's children by responding to BMI screening results and consider sodium content in the food the government provides them. Did you know that according to Harvard studies, it only costs an extra $1.50 a day to make a diet more nutritious? The school breakfast program and the National School Lunch Program are allocated an $18.2 billion budget annually. By reviewing the budget and reallocating funds to more nutritious foods, you can reduce sodium consumption in our children and, in turn, their BMI scores. Senator Jones's policy will also need the support and buy-in from parents. Since BMI scores will be sent to families, ensuring parent comprehension of BMI scores and providing them with adequate resources to respond to BMI scores from both a physical and mental health perspective is key. By adding a resources guide in the BMI score mailings at an additional cost of $680,000 for 13.6 million households with children in the U.S., we are giving parents a stepping stone to keep their children healthy. Children do not understand the concept of a healthy meal versus an unhealthy one and the long-term impacts of an unhealthy diet. It is our duty as a nation to provide a foundation encouraging healthy choices for their futures. I thank you for your time and look forward to providing the children of America healthier futures through Senator Jones's proposed policy.